G99 and grid connection. Explained how commercial solar connects to the grid. If you're looking at installing a rooftop solar system on a warehouse, factory, distribution center, or other commercial building, you'll need to understand the role of Engineering Recommendation G99, what it is, why it matters, and how we handle the whole process to deliver a compliant, high-quality installation. What is G99 and when does it apply? Simply put, G99 is the technical standard that governs the connection of solar and other generation or storage systems to the UK distribution grid when the generation is above a certain size. For smaller installations, there is a simpler standard called Engineering Recommendation G98. But for most commercial solar projects, warehouses, logistics hubs, industrial buildings, etc., the inverters and generation capacity exceed the G98 threshold. That means a full G99 connection application is required. G99 ensures that the local grid can safely accept and manage the extra generation without voltage instability, overload, or other risks. Compliance also involves protection settings to ensure safe disconnection in grid faults, and often export limit control on what can be sent back to the grid. What does the G99 process look like? At Solarcrown Commercial, we deliver a full turnkey approach from feasibility through to commissioning and ongoing performance. Here's the typical workflow. Feasibility and site assessment. We assess roof structure, electrical load profile, generation capacity, export potential, and likely interaction with the grid. We determine whether a G99 application is required. For most commercial installs, it is. G99 application and DNO liaison. We prepare and submit the G99 application to the local distribution network operator, DNO. This includes full technical documentation, system capacity, inverter specs, protection settings, one-line diagrams, export limit proposals, etc. If needed, we work with the DNO to set appropriate export limits or agree any network upgrade requirements. System design and installation. While waiting for G99 approval, we carry out detailed system and electrical design, mounting, cabling, inverters, containment, integration with building systems, lightning protection, fire safety, etc. Quality assured under MCS MS 3002 and BS 7671 standards. Once design is approved, we install the system, carry out testing and commissioning and energization, notification. Once the system is installed, we complete the required G99 commissioning forms. The DNO reviews and issues a final operational notification, FON, or equivalent, after which the system can be energized, and if permitted export setup exists, export to the grid can commence. Ongoing maintenance and export control. We also help manage ongoing maintenance, performance monitoring, and if the DNO has imposed an export limit, the export control mechanisms to ensure the system stays compliant. Why the G99 process matters and what can go wrong without it. If a large system is connected without G99 compliance, it can cause grid instability, voltage fluctuations, or interfere with safety protection, risks to both the building and the local network. Without DNO approval and export limit control, if required, the network may reject exporting, meaning wasted potential and compliance risks. For commercial operators, non-compliance could mean forced shutdown, delays, or refusal of export MPAN registration, undermining the financial business case for solar. That's why having an experienced solar partner like Solarcrown Commercial, who understands G99, DNO processes, export limits, documentation and compliance is crucial. If you're looking to install commercial solar, don't treat grid connection as an afterthought. The difference between a compliant, profit-generating installation and one that causes headaches or gets stalled often comes down to proper adherence to G99 and working with a partner who understands the full process. At Solarcrown Commercial, we handle everything: technical design, DNO liaison, export management, installation, commissioning and maintenance.